For a German twisted cast on, the first thing you need to do is work out how much yarn you're going to need to leave for a tail. So similar to the long tail cast on, wrap the yarn around your needle for the number of stitches you need. So I'm going to do about 10. And then I'm going to leave a bit more yarn for a tail and then a bit extra because this cast on does use a bit of extra yarn. Now you're going to want to have your tail of yarn towards you and the working yarn going away from you. And you can start this cast on with either a slip knot or a little twist. So I'm going to do the twist. So put this yarn over your thumb and your index finger and grip it with your other fingers. So you've got this kind of setup. Bring your needle over the top and then just twist it towards you so you end up with this twist around your needle. You can also just do a slip knot instead. Just make sure that this is your tail and this is your working yarn. I tend to find that a twist like this rather than a slip knot looks a little bit more invisible, so I tend to use it for projects in the round where I want the beginning of the round to be more hidden. So now bring your thumb and index finger up so you've got these two loops around your fingers. I'm just going to hold on to this loop with my other finger so that it doesn't slip around on my needle. So bring the tip of this needle over to the left, under this loop, back to the middle, then through this loop on your thumb. Now over to this loop on your index finger, through the middle, and now you can see this little triangle that's here. And you want to bring the tip of your needle through that triangle. So I'm going to slide it down, just bring it through that triangle, and that's all you need to do. So snug it up on your needle, but you don't need to do it too closely, just leave a little gap. Now I'll just show you that again. So have your working yarn away from you and your tail yarn towards you. Put your thumb and index finger between both of these and grip them with your other fingers. Bring the tip of the needle all the way to the left, under both of these strands of yarn, and back through the middle of this loop, like this. And then over to the index finger, bring your needle under this strand, and where you can see this triangle here, tip of the needle down through this gap, and that's another stitch cast on. So again, you're going to bring your needle all the way over here, through to the middle, back through this loop, to the middle again, then over to the index finger, through this loop, where we have this triangle here, bring the tip of your needle through this gap. And that's everything you need to know for the German twisted cast on.